Hey everyone, and welcome back. There's one piece of gear that can make or break an outdoor adventure, your backpack. It's not just a bag, it's your portable home, your lifeline, and your command center. But with so many options out there, how do you find the perfect one? Today, we're cutting through the clutter to bring you the best hiking backpacks on Amazon in 2025. We've got a pack for every type of trip, from lightweight day packs to rugged travel packs and everything in between. Let's get organized. Number 1. Maelstrom Hiking Backpack. The Maelstrom Hiking Backpack is a great day pack for hikers who need a little extra. It's made from high-quality ripstop nylon, so it's tear and water resistant. In fact, it even comes with a bonus rain cover for a full-on downpour. What makes it stand out is its thoughtful design. It has an ergonomic, padded back and straps to reduce fatigue, and a unique waterproof wet pocket inside the main compartment to keep your sweaty clothes or wet gear separate. It even has a survival whistle built into the chest buckle and a spot for your hydration bladder. Number 2. Miku Backpack Ultra Lightweight Packable Backpack. For a backup plan that takes up almost no space, you can't beat the Miku Packable Backpack. This is a pack that's about half the weight of a smartphone and folds down into its own inner pocket. It's the ultimate travel secret weapon. Unfolded, it has a surprisingly large 45L capacity with a separate wet compartment. It's perfect for throwing in your luggage or car and then using for day trips, market runs, or whenever you pick up more gear on the road. Number 3. Luwoko 50L Hiking Backpack. If you're ready for an overnight trip or a longer adventure, the Luwoko 50L is an excellent choice. This pack has been completely upgraded with stronger straps and more durable zippers. It's designed without an internal frame, making it lightweight and comfortable. The standout feature here is the organization. It has a spacious main compartment, a separate shoe pocket, and 6 external pockets to keep your gear neatly sorted. It also has plenty of straps for a sleeping bag or trekking poles, so you can customize your loadout for any trip. Number 4. Lightweight Hydration Backpack. Staying hydrated is the most important rule on any trail. This lightweight hydration backpack makes it easy. It comes with a 2L water bladder that's BPA-free and has a leak-proof bite valve. The pack itself is super light, weighing just 8.5 ounces. The design is all about comfort and accessibility. The back and straps are made with soft air mesh to keep you cool, and it has multiple small pouches on the front for easy access to your phone, keys, or energy gels. Number 5. Osprey Farpoint 40L Men's Travel Backpack. For the serious traveler, the Osprey Farpoint is a legend. This pack is designed specifically for travel with a durable yet lightweight build. The most brilliant feature is the stowaway harness and hip belt. When you're at the airport, you can zip away the straps so they don't get snagged on baggage carousels. It's built to be a domestic carry-on size, so you can skip the checked bag line. Customers love its high quality and durability, with one mentioning it survived 4 plane trips. Just a note from customers, while it has great internal organization, it does lack external pockets. Number 6. Crossbody Bag Sling Bag. For a quick trip to the city, a short hike, or a music festival, a sling bag is a great choice. This one is both practical and stylish. It's made from a durable, waterproof, and tear-resistant material that will keep your belongings safe and dry. The strap is adjustable and can be configured to wear on either your left or right shoulder, which helps reduce fatigue. It has multiple pockets and even a reflective strip on the shoulder strap for visibility. Plus, a hidden headphone hole lets you listen to music on the go without tangled cords. Number 7. Teton 55L Scout Internal Frame Backpack. If you're looking to carry a bigger load, you need a pack with an internal frame. The Teton Scout is an amazing value for a feature-rich pack. It's a 55L pack that's designed with a multi-position torso adjustment to fit different body types and a foam lumbar pad for maximum comfort. It has a large sleeping bag compartment, compression straps to secure your gear, and plenty of pockets. Teton has a great reputation for listening to customer feedback, and they've updated this pack with more size options and angled water bottle holders. As they say in their product description, we'll stick to what we do best, building adventure-ready gear that's tough, affordable, and ready to roll. Number 8. BC's Army Green 60L Backpack. This is a versatile, large-capacity backpack that's also incredibly lightweight. The BC60L is made of high-quality ripstop polyester and comes with an extra rain cover to keep your gear dry. It has a spacious main compartment and a dedicated shoe pouch to keep the dirty stuff separate. The pack features 8 adjustable straps for tying down a sleeping bag, a mat, or other gear. It's a huge bag that only weighs 2.4 pounds, so you can carry more of what you need. Number 9. Marting Top Small Tactical Backpack. For a more tactical look and feel, the Marting Top Tactical Backpack is a great choice. It's a compact 25L pack made of durable 600D polyester with tough YKK zippers and buckles. The best part is its Mall webbing system, which allows you to completely customize the pack with additional pouches and gear. The main compartment has a sleeve for a 2L hydration bladder and a top hole for the drinking tube, making it perfect for cycling or a 1 to 2 day hiking trip. Number 10. Nevo Rhino Hydration Backpack. Our final pack is another hydration-focused option with a killer feature. This Nevo Rhino Hydration Backpack comes with an 18L capacity and a large 3L water bladder. But the main selling point is the insulated bladder compartment that keeps your liquids cool for up to 5 hours. It also has multiple storage options, including 2 waist pouches on the hip belt for easy access to your phone or keys, making it a perfect companion for long hikes or music festivals. So there you have it, 10 of the best hiking and travel backpacks you can get right now. The right pack can make all the difference, so consider your needs, the length of your trip, and the kind of gear you need to carry. Which of these backpacks would you choose for your next adventure? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more gear reviews. Thanks for watching and happy trails!